Okay.
Sneeze.
You gonna sneeze?
Bless you. Look! Look, there's eggs. Wow! What's that? It is a present. Look, is there another one? You want to put it in the basket? Put that in the basket too. Do you want to carry it? Wow! Oh my God! There's another one. Oh, do you see it? Oh, Kai, look! Oh, look at that! He's looking at him.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Kai.
Look at that.
Crazy, isn't it?
See another one?
You see another one?
Where do they all come from?
Egg.
They are eggs. Do you see another one? Maybe on the stairs?
Careful. Do you want Mommy to hold your basket? Wow, Kai. You see another one? Do you see another egg? This is cool, huh? Where'd they come from, Kai, man? Where'd they come from? Wow, is this fun? Do you want me to carry it?
Look at that.
Wow. Are there more?
I think I see another one.
You want to put it in there? You want to hold it? Where did all these eggs come from, Kai? Want to put that one in here too?
Good job.
Here you go. Careful. Look at this. This is crazy, huh? Where did these come from? It must have been what the dogs barked at last night, huh? The Easter Bunny must have come while we were sleeping. Well, it must have. He obviously did. Here you go. There you go. You're welcome.
You gonna get some more?
Is this fun?
Wow, there's even more. Can you pick them all up?
Is this fun? Wow, this is crazy, huh?
That's right, more too.
Oh, Kai, you missed one. Is this fun?
Look, I think there's a couple more over there. You gonna get those? Good job. Is there something in it?
Good job, Kai.
Good job, Kai. Hey, Kai. Kai, do you see these?
Wow. Do you want me to take this down? Yeah. Look, the Easter Bunny came all the way from England, too. Isn't that cool?
You want to open it? Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Here, do you want to see? Should we see what's in here first? It's an egg and a bunny. Hi, Egg Bunny. Brum, brum.
Wow.
That's right.
Hi, can you sit right there and say cheese? Say Easter Bunny. Or not. What is it?
Is that Bubbles?
Daddy, open it.
You want me to open it and make bubbles? Okay. What's that?
Cool.
Is that a school bus? Is that a watch? Yeah. We'll open it up and put it on you, okay? Look, a little egg. And another one. Oh, good.
Candies. Yeah. What else is in there, Kai?
What's this? It's another school bus, kind of.
It's a nice creep truck.
Oh, Kai, what's this? What's that?
You must have been a good boy, because the Easter Bunny sure did treat you well.
Mommy, open.
All
Okay,
right,
what
we'll open
else
the
is in there?
bubbles. What's this? Yeah, that's right, it is Thomas. What is it, though? Is it a tooth?
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Bless you. Nice.
Okay, I'll get you tissue. Sorry.
Bless you. Ah. Wow, you're sneezing all over the place. You are sneezing.
Oh, poor guy. Do you have a cold?
Kai, can you say bye-bye? Kai, say bye-bye.
No.
Say
No.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Kai, man. Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter, Kai. Say bye, everybody.
Yeah,
Are you eating it?
Yeah, we're probably going to have to unwrap that. All right.
Yep.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.